In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under elements of business management. So we're going to focus on the subtopic business resources. We have about 17 to 19 questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question here says the three components of staffing are recruitment, procurement, and appointment, recruitment, test and placement, recruitment, interview and appointment, recruitment, selection and placement. So the right answer is option D, which is recruitment, selection and placement. Alright, next question, this one says the most important business resource is human resources, option D. Okay, next question, this one. In the business organization, the annual operation plan or budget is a form of a long-term plan, casual plan, medium-term plan, short-term plan. Right answer is option D, short-term plan. Okay, next question. The process of mobilizing, engaging, and maintaining workers to work for an organization is referred to as staffing, option C. Okay, next question says the location of a business is mostly influenced by management decision, market outlets, capital, environment. The right answer is option B, market outlets. Okay, very important. Next question. The resources which are necessary for business development include man, money, materials, machines, merchant, materials, mentors, and money, machines, manufacturing, money, and materials, manufacturing, materials, mentors, and money. The right answer is option A, it include man, money, materials, and machines. Okay, next question. Risk bearing in business organization is a function of the entrepreneur of course, option A. Next question. Which of the following sequence can best fit into the structure above? Raw material production, product, finance, marketing, production, material production ideas, people control ideas. The right answer is option A, material production, products. That's the one that can fit in the structure above. Next question is this one. It says entrepreneurship mainly involves risk taking, of course, option A. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not the duty of an entrepreneur? Bearing of risk, decision on the amount of tax to pay, provision of initial capital, decision on what to produce. The right answer is option B. Okay, so this is an exception. Decision on the amount of tax to pay. Okay, next question. The major responsibility of an entrepreneur is coordinating and determining the proportion of what to produce. No. Planning and organizing all activities in the business. No. Employing all factors of production in the business. No. Directing and controlling all the affairs of the business. Yes, option D. Next question. The most important resources of business is opportunities, material resources, human resources, money resources. So that the right answer is option C, human resources. Next question. The function of commerce in relation to production is yielding result, providing a link between the different stages of conversion of goods, helping in the extraction of raw material from nature, satisfying. The right answer is option D, is satisfying. Next question says one of these is a current asset. Fittings, machinery, stock, motor vehicles. So is obvious stock, option C. Next question. One of the major determinants of the volume of production is we have the availability of banks, market size distribution, government policy. Right answer is option B, market size. Next question. The primary objective of a business organization is to cater for the needs of its owners, to improve the standard of living, of its proprietors. No. Work towards making returns. Yes. Assist the government to serve the citizens. No. The right answer is option C, work towards making returns. Next question. A major objective of all business resources is we have public relation, human relation, profit making, profit sharing. Right answer is option C. Okay, profit making. Next question. Which combination of the above are basic requirements as business resource? Money and machine, materials and money, market and man. Yes, is included. Materials and money. Yes. So the right answer is I and I. Option C. Okay, last question before we end this video. It is one says which of the following is the most important business resource? So we have manpower, materials, management, money. The right answer is option C, management. So guys, this is basically you can do problems involving elements of business management with a focus on the subtopic business resources. Practice about 17 to 19 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share, and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel when I left the video. If you have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. I will sure to give you a response. So ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking Join button, get the premium information and help yourself. This next exams like the JAMB and other exams you're writing. So having done this, click on the next above. Now we see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.